It's giving microlinks, tape-ins. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and I'm back with another hair video. So this video is brought to you by Curls Queen. Look how cute this bag is. And they sent me these beautiful clip-ins that I am going to review for you guys. It's giving microlinks, tape-ins. Yeah. So if you guys want to hear more about this hair, keep on watching. So Curls Queen is a natural hair brand that caters to, girls with natural hair, type 3 to type 4 texture. These are their light Yaki texture clip-ins, but they also have curly clip-ins that mimic a type 3 to type 4 and all kinds of wigs. I will be sure to leave the link to this right in my description box, where you can also save money if you decide to purchase these clip-ins. When I got these clip-ins, they came super fast. I think like in a week. They're super thick, like the texture is spot on. At first I thought that it would not blow in my hair, but it blends so well. The color is a little off, but they blend so well. Also, the hair smells so good, like they already washed it for you. It comes with 10 pieces, which they already like put in order for you, like from the longest clip to the shortest clip. And I was thinking that it wasn't going to be enough for my head, but it's more than enough. It also comes with extra clips and needle and thread. Well, not a needle, but thread in case your clips break off. The clips are so sturdy, like they're not like cheap little clip-ins where you think that the wind is gonna blow and your clip is gonna come out. No, these are stuck. My hair is a little bit of a black and a jet black. When I dyed it with a black brown dye. The hair is slightly darker than mine, or slightly darker than my own. And if you see a little bit of red spots, it's because my hair was previously red. So yeah, but like I said, you can always dye the bundles to get that exact match. To prepare for install, I did go ahead and wash the hair again, and I let it air dry. Like I said before, when the hair came, it smelled good, like they already did that for you. I did go ahead and install the clip-ins twice, just to give girls that don't really like a bone straight look an idea of how it would look if they didn't flat iron their hair. Then I went ahead and fried my hair for you guys, so that I can get it as straight as possible, so that way you can see both looks. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, so obviously my hair is still curly at the top. I'm about to put a flat iron to it, and yeah, we're gonna just take the flat iron and do that and straighten it. But I just wanted to show you guys how the clip-ins looked like if your hair wasn't completely bone straight. That you can still achieve like certain styles and add the clip-ins without having bone straight hair. So I'm gonna put the flat iron in it and I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, and I didn't even use all the clips. they give you more than enough. I still have 2 left over. Of course, you can put them in if you want to. I could have put more in at the top, but I didn't want it to be too bulky. It's your preference how you put the clip-ins in. Some people like to do the shortest length. It just depends on your head size and shape. But I'm gonna flat iron this, and I will come back when I'm done. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs button if you like this video. And don't forget to check out the description box to save money on your next purchase from Curls Queen. I'll see you in my next video.